Imagine whipping up a velvety smoothie in seconds, chopping veggies for a hearty stew, or grinding fresh coffee beans for your morning brew, all with one sleek, powerful machine. This Goelunmy blender and food processor combo is the ultimate kitchen multitasker, designed to simplify your culinary adventures while delivering professional-grade results. Whether you're a busy parent, a fitness enthusiast, or a home chef craving efficiency, this 700 watts powerhouse is about to become your new best friend. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into why this blender and food processor combo is a must-have, exploring its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your kitchen. Why the Goelunmy blender stands out. In a crowded market of kitchen appliances, the Goelunmy blender and food processor combo shines with its versatility, compact design, and budget-friendly price point. Unlike single-function blenders or bulky food processors, this 3-in-1 wonder combines blending, chopping, and grinding capabilities into one space-saving unit. With a robust 700 watts motor spinning at 24,000 RPM, it tackles everything from frozen fruits to tough meats with ease. Its thoughtful design, complete with dishwasher-safe parts and a 2-year warranty, ensures hassle-free use and peace of mind. Let's break down what makes this appliance a game-changer for modern kitchens. Solving everyday kitchen challenges. The Goelunmy blender addresses common cooking pain points with finesse. Time constraints. Prepping meals can be time-consuming, especially for busy professionals or parents. This combo's one-touch operation and lightning-fast blending. Smoothies in seconds. Streamline your workflow. Limited space. Small kitchens or dorms often lack room for multiple appliances. The compact design, including a 19 ounces portable bottle, 50-ounce chopper, and 10-ounce grinder, saves precious counter space. Cleanup woes. Nobody loves scrubbing stuck on food. The detachable, dishwasher-safe components, except the motor base and chopper blades, make cleanup a breeze. Versatility needs. From smoothies to salsas, baby food to nut butters, this machine handles diverse recipes without requiring separate gadgets. Whether you're blending a post-workout shake, chopping veggies for a quick stir-fry, or grinding spices for a curry, the Goelunmy delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Key features that impress. The Goelunmy blender and food processor combo is packed with features that cater to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Here's what you get. Powerful 700 watts motor. With 24,000 RPM, this motor pulverizes ingredients in seconds, ensuring silky smoothies, finely chopped veggies, and perfectly ground spices. 3-in-1 functionality. Includes a 19 ounces portable blender bottle for on-the-go drinks, a 50-ounce food chopper for meal prep, and a 10-ounce coffee grinder for fresh spices or beans. For stainless steel blades. Sharp, durable blades handle tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and meat with precision. One-touch operation. Simple controls make it easy to blend, chop, or grind in under 10 seconds, perfect for quick tasks. Dishwasher-safe parts. All detachable components, except the motor base and chopper blades, are top-rack dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. Leak-proof design. The portable bottle comes with an unleaking lid, ideal for taking smoothies or shakes to the gym or office. 2-year warranty. Backed by Goelunmy's customer-first philosophy, offering reliable support and a 24-hour response time for any issues. These features make the Goelunmy a versatile, user-friendly choice for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game without breaking the bank. Benefits that transform your cooking. Investing in the Goelunmy blender and food processor combo brings tangible benefits to your daily routine. Time-saving efficiency. The high-speed motor and one-touch operation let you prepare smoothies, dips, or chopped ingredients in seconds, freeing up time for other tasks. Space-saving design. Its compact footprint and multifunctionality eliminate the need for multiple appliances, perfect for small kitchens or minimalist lifestyles. Versatile meal prep. From creamy yogurts to chunky salsas, this combo handles a wide range of recipes, making it a go-to tool for diverse cuisines. These advantages translate to less stress, more creativity, and a kitchen that works smarter, not harder. Who is this blender for? The Goelunmy blender and food processor combo is ideal for fitness enthusiasts, perfect for whipping up protein shakes, green smoothies, or meal prep ingredients on the go. Busy parents, quickly prepare healthy baby food, smoothies, or chopped veggies for family meals. Small space dwellers, great for apartments, dorms, or RVs where counter space is limited. Budget-conscious cooks, offers premium features at an affordable price, rivaling higher-end models. Home chefs, ideal for those who love experimenting with smoothies, sauces, nut butters, or freshly ground spices. No matter your lifestyle, this blender adapts to your needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Real-world performance, putting it to the test. To give you a clear picture, I tested the Goelunmy blender in a variety of scenarios. Here's how it performed. Smoothie test, blending frozen strawberries, spinach, and yogurt. The 700 watts motor produced a silky smooth drink in under 10 seconds. No chunks or unblended bits, even with tough greens. Chopping test, dicing onions and carrots for a soup was a breeze with the 50-ounce chopper. The stainless steel blades delivered uniform cuts, saving time compared to manual chopping. Grinding test, grinding coffee beans in the 10-ounce grinder yielded a consistent, fine powder, perfect for a fresh brew. It also handled spices like cumin and coriander with ease. Ice crushing, the blender tackled ice cubes for a frozen margarita, creating a slushy texture without straining the motor. The results were impressive across the board, with the machine handling everything from soft fruits to hard ice with minimal effort. The only minor drawback was a slightly louder operation during grinding, but it's a small trade-off for the power and versatility. Why choose Goelunmy over competitors? Compared to brands like Vitamix or Ninja, the Goelunmy offers similar functionality at a fraction of the cost. While high-end models boast larger jars or more presets, the Goelunmy's compact design and 3-in-1 capabilities make it a better fit for small households or budget-conscious buyers. Its portable bottle and leak-proof lid add on-the-go convenience that some competitors lack. Plus, the 2-year warranty provides reassurance that's hard to beat at this price point. A few considerations. While the Goelunmy excels in most areas, it's worth noting the 50-ounce chopper jar is slightly smaller than some full-size food processors, which may limit large batch prep. The motor, while powerful, can be noisy during grinding tasks, so it's not the quietest option on the market. The chopper blades aren't dishwasher-safe, requiring hand washing for safety. These minor quirks don't detract from its overall value, especially for the price. Final verdict, a kitchen essential. The Goelunmy blender and food processor combo is a versatile, budget-friendly powerhouse that delivers on performance, convenience, and style. Its 700 watts motor, 3-in-1 functionality, and easy clean design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing quality. Whether you're blending smoothies, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this machine handles it all with ease. For small kitchens, busy lifestyles, or health-conscious cooks, it's a no-brainer. Ready to transform your kitchen? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this game-changing appliance yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.